Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I wanted to show you some really good deals I've found at TJ Maxx recently. I have two TJ Maxxes that are in about a 20-minute radius from where I live. I visit both of them frequently, so I wanted to show you some of the really good deals that I've found lately. I've been saving them up to show you because I really think they have some really good stuff lately, and I wanted to share with you so you could grab it if you see anything you're interested in. Save yourself some money too. I'm going to start with some makeup brushes. I don't usually buy brushes there. They do have Real Techniques, a lot of, that's really it. Once in a while they'll have some high-end ones scattered. But I did find these, which I have not tried this brand yet, but I've heard good things. And it is a drugstore brand, but they're, still up there in price. It's called Japonesque. So I found this one must-have highlighting duo. So there's two highlighting brushes, one the fan style and then the other one. And I purchased this for $4.99. And then I also got this brush for your eyes, all over shadow brush. And this was $3.99. Now, I don't know what these retail for. I know they're around $15 price range. I would say between $10 and $20 for Japonesque brushes. But what I'm going to do is in the description box below, I'm going to but I'm going to write all the products and what they retail for just so you can go and see how much of a savings it really is for these products that I'm showing you. Now I also have some skincare, so I'll show you that next. Now this, I'm not sure, I'm trying to figure out if this is really a deal or not, because these Shiseido facial cottons, you get a bigger bag at Sephora and they're like, I want to say like $12 or $13. This one is just a smaller one. It has it's for $2.99 and it has 40 sheets, so I'm going to figure it out, but I almost don't know if you're really saving that much with these. But I just thought it would be nice to just have a small pack for my bathroom. And then I did buy 2 sets of cleaning, pads. So I got Pacifica Berry Happy Cleansing Wipes with Berry Happy Extract Facial Towelettes, all skin types, especially age defiant. Wow. So these were $2.99. I have not tried these. I really don't veer off of the Neutrogena ones too often, but I wanted to try something different. Since they were only $2.99, I figured I'd give them a try. And then these, for the first time I've seen them there. I have never seen them there before, but I found the Neutrogena ones there. And we all know the price range on these, around $10 a pack. These were $3.99 at TJ Maxx. So I actually plan on going and stocking up and getting some more. So I do use these primarily to remove my makeup. And then I have 2 other skincare products. One from First Aid Beauty. It's their Ultra Repair Cream. It's the Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. And this I got for $6.99. And again, I'll put the prices of what they retail for in the description below. And then the last skincare is from E.L.F. and it's the Hydrating Water Essence. I don't have an essence. I've never had an essence or used an essence. And I've never used E.L.F. skincare, so I figured I'd give it a try. And this was $3.99. My cat's knocking things off of my desk because she wants attention. And now we're getting into the good stuff now, the makeup. Oh wait, I did want to show you these hair ties just because these are what I use and I thought they were really cute and colorful. And they were $2.99, so I grabbed these. Okay, I know, I'm procrastinating. The good stuff, the good stuff. We want the good stuff. So I'm going to start by showing you this. It's a single eyeshadow. I've never tried Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. In fact, the first Bobbi Brown makeup product I've tried was recently, and it's one of their new liquid lipsticks, but it feels more like a balm. But yeah, I wanted to try their eyeshadow. I've heard they're really good. This was $7.99. It's a little pricey for a single eyeshadow, especially the color. The color is in Sable 18. It's just a brown, but I also figure a brown shade like this is a shade that I'll get a lot of use out of. I definitely love my neutral eyeshadows, and I could wear something like this just by itself, maybe a little in the crease by itself on a quick day that I have to run out the door. I haven't swatched it. It does feel really nice and soft. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's a perfect cool tone brown. It looks a lot different than it looks in the pan, doesn't it? Oh, maybe not that different, but it's definitely a cooler toned, which I love cool tones. Oh, the swatches really nicely. So yeah, I definitely think I'll get good use out of this one. Now, the next makeup product I'm going to show you is by Bare Minerals. And this was actually clear. They had a bunch of these, and I buy these. Like, these were some of the first liquid lipsticks I started buying, the Bare Minerals Gen Nude. This is a matte. It's $3.50, so they clearanced it, but it was, okay, they were selling for $4.99. So not much of a clearance, but this is a pretty, like, pinky nude shade. And I'll swatch it for you. I love nude lip. Good. I always love a nude lip. Actually, it looks a little more peachy on here, but that's what that looks like anyway. I'll definitely, you know, get good use out of this. And then, what do I want to show you next? I'm sure you guys have heard, if you watch any of these videos, that these have been showing up at TJ Maxx a lot. The Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. Now, I have two that I bought for retail, which is like $24 or something like that. They're selling them at TJ Maxx for $7.99. You really can't beat that. I got this shade Jezabel, and I actually remember going to Ulta and coming so close to buying this shade because it was a peach shade, and I was looking for like peachy types of colors, which is why I bought the ColourPop Spring Palette Sweet Talk, which is what I have on my eyes now, and I just uploaded a video on that. But I wanted some peaches in my collection because I didn't have a lot of peach for eyeshadow. So, I mean, it's full size. That's such a pretty color. That's what it looks like. See, it's like perfect peach. It'll go perfect with that ColourPop palette. All right. Now, the next thing this is another brand I've never tried, and it's Lorac. Carol spelled backwards, and I think they just sold the company to someone. But it's a blush, and it's in the color Source Blush, and it's matte. I'm not going to open this one up right now, though, because it's all taped up. But it's a pretty neutral blush shade, and it was only $3.99. And then I found a Buxom Big and Sexy Bold Gel Lipstick. So I picked this up, $4.99. And the reason I wanted it, I've never tried this formula, but the shade that it was in, I'm like, oh, I have to do it. It's actually in the shade White Russian, which, you know, the lip glosses is like one of the iconic lip gloss shades. So I'm like, I have to get it. It's a good price. And I am going to swatch this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Packaging. It's like got a soft feel to it. Well, that's a nice shade. It's kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a pinky nude, but a little brighter. It almost looks like this Bare Minerals one, but yeah, it's right here. So that's a pretty shade. It's definitely the type of shade I like to wear, so good there. And then I have two more products. I saved the best for the last. This went on sale over the holidays, I believe. It's the Becca Volcano Goddess palette. And I wasn't going to buy it, but when I found out it was at TJ Maxx and it was only $16.99, I went and I grabbed it. And it was the only one there, but then I saw after they had restocked some more. But I mean, it's pretty, you know? And $17 for a high-end eyeshadow palette, how can I say no? Look at those shades. They're so pretty. So I haven't tried this out yet. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do a look on it. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing this eyeshadow palette swatched. And then the thing I'm most excited about, and another brand I've never tried. Well, no, I did purchase a lipstick from them at TJ Maxx, but I didn't like the color and I sold it. But MAC. And can you believe I have not tried many MAC products? Anyway, this is the Hyper Real Glow. It's their highlighter palette. So there's 3 highlighters in here. And this was $19.99, so it's still pricey, but I don't care. And highlighters, MAC. Need I say more? And so you have the shades Flash and Awe, Rosy Glow, and Light Up the Party. And that's what they look like. And we all love our highlighters. It's like the highlight of our day, right? So I will swatch these for you. I'm just going to start with the first one. And second. Third. Okay. Oh, look how pretty. Oop. And And I think they have 2 sets of these, one for lighter skin, one for darker skin. And this was, you know, obviously the one for lighter skin. Those look so good. I'm really excited to try that. Yay! So I think I did pretty good recently, but I wanted to share this stuff with you guys because, you know, if you see anything you like, this is what I do. I watch these videos. I watch people in their TJ Maxx videos, and they go there and they film it in the store or whatever, because that's how I keep up and say, oh my God, that's there. So, and then I'll go and I'll find it and I'll grab it. I've had pretty good luck doing that. So that's, you know, so I like to watch these videos. I figured I'd film one since I had a good amount of products to show you guys. And that way, if you see anything here and you think it's a really good deal, check the description below, see just how much of a savings it really is. And if you want to go and grab it, you know that there's a good chance it'll be there. So let me know if you want me to do more of these in the future, because I go to TJ Maxx often enough between the 2 that are near me. So just let me know in the comments, like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.